you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My faults were not my own. And it grabbed
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you heard about me!
I understand.
Come on, this way.
Spread out and lock it down.
All units, be on the lookout for this time.
Don't get it back here.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Snow cone? Oh, no. Slam it!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
My Wazowski!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we